Here's a quick video of how your dishwasher can smell. We have another video on our YouTube channel about making sure the drains are connected properly on these double dishwashers, because that can cause a big problem with backwash of discharge water. But anyway, what a lot of people don't realize is a lot of the modern dishwashers have this screen system down here. This is a GE. You're going to rotate this. It comes out. I already cleaned it, so it's not all full of junk, but you can see some of the junk still down in the trap. I also have this plate that comes out, this screen. I cleaned that real good with a old toothbrush, kind of scrubbed it down. And one thing to kind of wipe this stuff out, get it loose. I'm going to run a treatment on this in a minute to help clean it. But one thing that happens is this piece also comes apart. As you can see, I just unscrewed it, so it'll make it easier to clean. So it is also keyed. See, it's got these little teeth on the edges here. There's two of them. Got to make sure they're in the right clock position, if you will, of this part down here. It locks together, and then it goes back in as a unit and locks, when it's in this position. You're going to drop it down in there and lock it back in. So in a second here, we'll show you the treatment for cleaning it. Okay, a typical recommendation for cleaning your dishwasher is 1 cup of white vinegar and run it through a wash cycle. Make sure you don't have any soap in here either, just the white vinegar. What works well for us is we just use like a custard cup. It's almost exactly 1 cup. So I put that in there. They tell you a top rack, typically out there. Well, this dishwasher is a little bit different. There isn't really a top rack per se. So I just put it down in the bottom there. It nests real nice in that custard cup. However you do it, they recommend putting it in a bowl. I like these because they're kind of small and short, so I think it'll get all used throughout the wash cycle. So it's just personal preference, and it works for us. Give it a complete wash cycle, and between cleaning out that screen down in the bottom and doing this, I suppose it wouldn't hurt to do like once a month, because it's been a couple months since I've cleaned that screen, and boy, it got pretty nasty. So hope this video was helpful for you, and we'll see you on the next.